My dear children, today in this second session, we are going to study the important documents of the company. As we know, the important documents of the company are Memorandum of Association, Articles of Association, Consent of Directors, Agreement, Statutory Declaration, and Payment of Registration of Fee. First, we are going to study the term Articles of Association. Articles of Association are the bylaws of the company. They contain the rules and regulations of the management of the internal affairs of the company. They define the mode of manner in which the company's business is to be carried on. Articles of Association is a public document. Articles of Association explains the various rules regarding the internal management of the company. These rules are the subsidiary to the Memorandum of Association, and it should not exceed anything stated in the Memorandum of the Association. According to Section 2, Subsection 5 of the Companies Act 2013, articles means the articles of association of a company as originally framed or altered from time to time or applied in pursuance of any previous company law or of this act. The articles of association of a company shall be in respective of the specified in table F, G, H and J in schedule 1 as may be applicable to such company. Articles of Association is the important document of the company. The outsiders dealing with the company are supposed to have read the Memorandum of Association and Articles of the company. They are entitled to believe that the company conducts in business according to the rules and regulations. This is known as doctrine of indoor management. A private company and a limited company by guarantee and an unlimited company must prepare and file their own articles of association. But a public limited company by shares may adopt Table A in the first schedule of the Companies Act in case it does not want to prepare and file its own articles of association. While preparing the articles, great care should be exercised. Anything contained in the articles which is against the Memorandum of Association or against the Companies Act shall be null and void. The Articles of Association should be printed, properly divided into paragraphs, consequently numbered and signed by the signatories to the memorandum in the presence of at least one witness. The Articles of Association are subordinate to the Memorandum of Association. Let me ask one question. Can you say what are the main contents of the Memorandum of Association or the various clauses included in the Memorandum of Association? Yes. Name clause, registered office clause, association clause, capital clause, liability clause, situation clause, subscription clause. These are the various contents of Memorandum of Association. In the same way, the various contents of the Articles of Association are: first one, types, numbers and denomination of shares and the rights attached to them. And the second one, procedure for making the allotment of shares and for making calls. The next one is procedure for transfer and transmission of shares. The next one is procedure for forfeiture, reissue and surrender of shares. The next is procedure for conversion of shares into stock. Then procedure for issue of share certificates, share warrants, etc. Procedure for alteration and reduction of share capital. The next point is borrowing powers of the company. Then rules regarding appointment, reappointment, remuneration, removal of directors. Then procedure for convening and conducting meetings, procedure for declaration and payment of dividend, then procedure regarding quorum, voting poll, proxy, etc. Then procedure concerning keeping of books of accounts and their auditing, seal of the company, and procedure regarding winding up of the company. These are the various contents of articles of association.